Someone sent me a totally customized WhatsApp sticker. Wonder how they made it. Are you wondering how to make your own WhatsApp stickers? Then in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys so that you can make your own WhatsApp stickers right on your smartphone. Let's get started. First off, let me show you how to access WhatsApp stickers. You need to first go ahead and hit on this face emoji over here, and then you need to go ahead and hit on this third new icon that you have over here for WhatsApp stickers. And then from here it will show all the sticker packs that are installed, or you can get all the other sticker packs from here as well. And if you want other sticker packs, you can get sticker packs from the Google Play Store as well. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own WhatsApp stickers. And in order to create your own WhatsApp stickers easily right on your smartphone, the app you need is Sticker Maker. After you install this from the App Store, you can go ahead and open up the app. So here I have a test sticker pack I have created, but I'm going to create a new sticker pack right now to demonstrate the process with you guys. So first off, you need to give a sticker pack name. So let's say Andro Dollar, and the author is Banu, right? Alright, so here we have the sticker pack, right? So when you open up the sticker pack, you will see all of these icons. So all of these things, all of these squares that you find underneath, these are all the stickers, and this is the icon of the sticker pack. So you can select one. So let me select the icon of the sticker pack just like this. Since it's for YouTube, I have selected that, and then the process is to create all the stickers. The best thing is to do is to actually find transparent images on Google. So these are some of the images that I found on Google that are transparent, and then we have an image that is not transparent as well. So first let me show you how to do this with a transparent image. So let's say you're a big fan of Batman. So you can go ahead and select Batman, and if the background is transparent, you can see this the transparent layer that is in the background. All you have to do is just go ahead and hit on select all, and then you need to go ahead and hit on just save the sticker. So you can see that the sticker has been created. If not, if you have another image that you like to just crop around and take, for an example, this one. If you want to make a meme out of this, then all you have to do is select the image and then select freehand, and then from here you can go ahead and cut whatever part that you want. So just like that, just in like 2-3 seconds, I have made my own sticker. It's up to me whether I want to save it or not. If I want to try again, I can do that. But I think I like how this came out, so I'm gonna save this. But let's say you want to do that again or make another sticker out of it. So you can select it again, and you can cut out the whole figure just like that if you want. And if you don't like what you got, you can go ahead and try it out again just like this. So I think that's pretty good, so I'm gonna save that as well. And if I want to pack this sticker pack with, let's say, maybe a droid, I can do that. And for all the Apple fans out there, let's add in the Apple logo as well. So just like that, I'm adding in a lot of images right into my sticker pack, and there are also options on this to just cut it out as a square. If you want, you can do that, or a circle. If you just want this part, you can do that as well, or you can just cut this freehand as well. But you really don't have to cut freehand for transparent images because it will always come out nicely. You don't have to do anything. You can rotate the image from here as well if the image is not rotated. So all the important things that you actually have to change are already included in this app. Basically, if you have a transparent image, just go ahead, hit on select all, and then go ahead and save the sticker. So just like this, we have the sticker pack, and in order to add this to WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and hit on add to WhatsApp. Then ad will pop up. Just hit on no, and then it will ask, would you like to add this sticker pack to WhatsApp? Then press add, and now the sticker pack has been added to WhatsApp. So now let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and then go in here, and here we have the sticker pack that we just created. Here's the baby, here's the second picture of the baby that we cut out, and here's the droid and the Apple logo, and here's Batman for all the Batman fans out there. So just like this, let's say you want to add some other image later on. So you have 6 images right now, but you want to improve the sticker pack and add more. You can do that very easily as well. So for an example, let's say you want to add Spider-Man, right? So just select Spider-Man, and then go ahead and do the same thing, and then go ahead and hit on add changes to WhatsApp. So after that, you can just go ahead and close up the ad, and now the sticker pack has been updated. So now if you go into the sticker section and see, here we have Spider-Man in our sticker pack as well. So this is a pretty easy and convenient way to make stickers right on your smartphone. You can take this up a notch on your computer as well. If you're pretty good with photo editing, you can open up Photoshop and put all of these things in there and make up amazing pictures and memes, and then import it onto the device and make great sticker packs just like this pretty easily. You can also share the sticker pack that you make using the share button over here, and you can share it on WhatsApp so that someone else can install it as well. And also, if you hit on the 3 dot icon over here, you can rename the sticker pack, or if you don't really like the sticker pack that you just made, you can go ahead and delete it as well. And that's how easy it is to create your own sticker pack for WhatsApp. You can send me your creations over on Instagram at Andro Dollar, or you can tweet me your creations at Andro Dollar on Twitter as well. You can find all the links down below in the description, and while you're there, you can follow me as well. Well guys, now you know how to make your own WhatsApp stickers. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button down below as well. You can follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And you can stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.